Yeah, I got
This year.
I got birthday in London, but this is the very very special.
London.
Wow! Thank
London.
you! Happy birthday to you!
We're gonna do a song. We're gonna do a song. We're gonna do a song that you never heard before.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Don't tear my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand.
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, Mami Clarita! Happy birthday!
Thank you very much.
Oh, diba? Palakpak naman dyan mga auntie! Oh, see, ang inyong bouquet! Ayan po. Dito po tayo sa gitna, mother.
Alam mo naman yung baro ko.
Ay, nahawan na ito, baro-baro, importante. Masaya po tayo ngayon. Okay, meron po kayong cake. Pakigaman, auntie.
Awasan na
Wag. Awasan na may
Bawi ko kung aming naglumatamtama basta
Adati.
picture ka pa eh.
balon niya. Ayan.
Ayun nga.
Ay, dadali pa. Hindi ka nang tinit. Abayan niyo.
Kabayaan na kadalukin eh.
Siyempre, dapat is fruit basket yun. Harap kayo kay videographer natin. Ayan, so paki-hold ko. Okay, samahan niyo po si mother. Kaya po ba nila?
Oo, kaya.
When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Ooh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. Ooh, ooh. She filled every need, made my life complete. Time and time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love
muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish!
Wish.
Wish ko lang.
Muna.
Okay.
Blow your candle now. 1, 2, 3.
At syempre, Mami Clarita, meron po inihandang letter ang inyong. Dito natin malalaman kung sino pang nagbigay. Maaari po pang basahin ni. Sino natin na yung basa? Halika na. Basahin daw.
Can you read it?
Stop.
Louder.
Louder daw.
So that we can
Happy birthday, Mami. Sana napasaya ka namin sa araw na ito. Sa
Yes.
simpleng handa namin ni na Ate Kristine Tolosa at Kuya
I am very
Ryan.
happy.
Pray namin na malusog at mahaba ang buhay sa'yo para at dapay agungat kanayon kanyami. Pero duray na ungat ka, mahal ka namin. Salamat sa mga help you sa amin lahat at kasama na ang iyong ungat. Sana lang kat bawasan yun na kasi tumatanda ka na. Enjoy life, Mami. We miss you. God bless and happy birthday ulit. Sabi mi Kuya Ryan, relax daw. Don't get mad always. Say hey, love Wilma and Kuya Ryan.
Okay. Hindi lang yan, Mami. Kukuhanan din natin ng message po ang inyong mga pamilya. Okay? Oh, no! Kay kapatid. Message nyo po sa inyong
Hindi kaya mo nga bagahan.
Nakaibaga. Nakaibaga, sir. Message nyo.
Okay. Salamat. Kabagay sa tanadaan mo iti. Tawon ni Kastoy. Ngayon nakigagsak kung ano. At datay ko maaming kabsa.
Salamat amin. Tulong
Kung tulong mo kanyami ang kabagay. Tanawang ka. Awang mo ti Kastoy nga biyag may. Bayaw. Salamat. Tanuahan nga da kayo tinang iko kanyami. Kakaasi ti biyag may kumatata. Makes me cry. Yung customer dyan siya nako.
Don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Sige. Don't mention it. It's our happy birthday. Kapera ko nga, teka na tayo, tisaro na tayo, ngagnanayong, di apong, tanong, makuha tayo mo, dagit apo tayo. Di pamilya.
It's our pleasure
Thank you, Biyaw.
to know that all this
Okay.
Mami Claire.
Kapera ko mga teka na tayo, tinawad-wad pa nga panag, biyag tayo. Tanay, at dati edad tayo.
Makapagdidin na
Tanong,
tayo.
ang didin na tayo matim.
Mabayag
Bayag sa tayo. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, kay Mami Claire.
Oh.
Message ko.
speaking to people who are in Japan.
Oh, thank you very much. Especially those come from Italy. Thank you very, very much.
Ryan and
Ryan
Kristine.
and Tintin. Thank
Especially.
you. And I don't know, from
Chris,
London. I don't know from
mention
London.
name.
Anyway, thank you very much from my family in London, especially my grandchildren and my son, my daughter.
Uray na ungutak, I love you all.
Wan uray no naungutak, anak ko apok, tana ungut. Agpaiso nga naungutak, na hindi pa lang naungutak na talaga niya.
Sumi pagpagadan.
Ngam, I love you too much. I love you very much. Yeah.
Si Sir po.
No nalpas iti ungekon,
Wala.
awanen makaungutak laang ta. I don't know.
Pangisuro lang
Yeah,
deta.
panangisuro laang.
Si Sir.
Siya Mike.
Message niyo po kay
Mura kita punasa DJ
Yeah.
luwak ta kwa.
Napaiyak natin si
Nagluluwa ka.
Father.
Ay na. Makapasangi mo dagito ang
Nagriga mati ag English na giya po.
One.
Nuboyanda ke ag kamaliak di
Oh. Okay, sir.
matarusan damot.
Okay na ni Ryan
For all-
kinimitin tamo kami ano.
for all of you,
Speak louder.
especially my grandchildren.
My
Thank
son
you
and my-
very, very much for your greetings and all for Mommy's birthday. I mean, special day today. And Mommy is very happy for your chatmate earlier. He showed you all the things we're doing now. We're doing some project at the moment. Even though we don't expect all this one surprise from your
From all of you.
relation from Italy.
From
We
London.
thank you very much for those for Ryan and Kristine.
And from London.
Although we are far from you, we very much appreciated all this you sending us. When I was at the back there, we were cooking for Mommy's birthday. They said, come, we got some surprises. I got bear in mind that everybody comes from abroad. We got all this. So I will have to come here and say, I am not dressed properly. So Regine said, you don't have to dress properly, just put on your clothes, whatever it is.
Okay.
You have to come and have a photograph. I got longer speech because I've been drinking, so I will have to say
Daddy is drunk
once
already.
more. I will have to say once more that
And you know what? Daddy is very naughty now. Oh no! Every afternoon is this affair.
don't see that. I will have to say
And you know what?
once again, thank you very much for all your surprises.
One day I caught him.
Especially from Italy.
She's
Ryan and Kristine and Ryan is the very special
whiskey. Some whiskey in the cupboard.
special niece and nephew.
Enough na.
Now that you are you finish your probation, you have to go.
That's
You
enough.
have to go for your you have to
Enough because you're
keep
drunk.
your job, and then that's it. Thank you very much.
At syempre, magpapakilala na po ako, Mother. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, happy birthday, Mother. Okay, in behalf of Edmund Cheese Flower Shop and Party Needs, thank you po kay Ma'am Wilma, Sir Ryan,
Yes.
and Ma'am Kristine, all the way from Milan,
Yeah.
Italy. Ayan. So,
Thank you,
welcome,
thank you,
Wilma
thank
po.
you very much.
So, Ma'am Wilma, ayan. So, ayan po, napasaya po natin si Mami Clarita, ayan.
Napasaya at saka umiyak.
At saka umiyak.
Mommy Claire is you made the day even more happier.
Yeah, I got
This
birthday,
year.
I got birthday in London, but this is the very very special.
London,
Wow, thank
London, the London.
Yeah.
My children, grandchildren, the chat we got a chat earlier saying that it's a very special day for her. Thank you.
Thank you all the way from Milan, Italy.
Dear darling.
Para sa'yo.
Oh, nasabihin kay Lola?
For you, kaya from Lola.
And
Thank
Lo?
Yeah,
From Lolo.
That's
I
your
love you.
chocolate.
Ah!
Can I say,
Yakam pa again.
Yes,
bless you.
Lola.
Pagkan.
Ah! Allergy to
Bye-bye.
hipon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye darling. See you sometimes.
Thank
See
you
you
po.
soon. Thank you.
From London. Thank you,
Enjoy yan.
Margaret. Clarity.
Alright.
Masarap yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy your chocolate, yeah? Toblerone, yeah?
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Hello, Mother. Good evening.
Nya, nabati yaw.
I am bahay. Ayan, all the way from London. Yay!
No, where come from?
From Mommy and Daddy Deleb.
Kaya takastoy.
Siyempre, 10,000 pesos, mother!
I want 1,000.
10,000 pesos! Ano pa masasabi niyo, mother?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Federico Dilem. Why only 10,000? Why only 10,000? Why?
It's not from Daddy, it's from Elsie Dilip.
From Elsie Delem. From Miss Ma'am Elsie Delem. Okay. Kaya from Mommy and Daddy Delem.
Siguro,
And grandchildren.
siguro, imbagam nga, birbirukot ni kwarta.
Talaga nga kwa, yan eh, nahuli, naudiante.
Happy birthday, Mami Claire! Hello! Happy birthday, Mami Claire! Saan ka unay aguungutan takay kaya da ka. Happy birthday, we love you!
She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Ooh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. She filled every need, made my life complete. Time and time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her